Hey guys, welcome to Archie Creations. So this is the Osis Serum by Schwarzkopf, and this is one of the best serums till date I've used, and I've been using it for more than 1 year. It's a bit on the high end, but if you've got frizzy, dull, lifeless, and hair which cannot be handled easily, and if you've tried a lot of treatments and still you've not got any solution to those frizzy hair, this is one of the serums that might work for you because the this serum is very thick, you can see, and it requires only a little bit coin size or even less than that quantity to be applied, and gives you immediate shine, volume, and gets rid of frizzy hair at the instant immediately. And if you want to buy this serum, you can buy this from us. It's available with us. You can even pair this with this mask which I've been using by Schwarzkopf, the Bonacure mask. This is a conditioner, basically they call it a mask, so this is also very good. And if you want to pair it with this, then it will give you good results. You can even buy the shampoo, but even if you're using just two of these products, it's enough, because I've used many products ranging from L'Oreal to many other brands, and they didn't work out for me because my hair is completely out of hand. It's very frizzy, and even after smoothing it got a lot of frizziness into it. It becomes dry. So this product gave me definite results. I'm not just saying that because I'm using this product. It gave me results and it's wonderful. Otherwise I would have changed the product in 1 year only, because I don't stick to products so easily. Like around 5 to 6 months I have to change the product because they don't give me results. So these two products are doing wonders for me. And if you want to purchase these products, you can buy it from Archie Creations. We are trying to incorporate more branded products like Schwarzkopf, Lotus Professionals, and many of you were even asking me what is the reason that I've got somewhat clear skin and glowing skin. I will tell you that cream because I've shown that cream earlier also. If anybody wants to purchase that cream, you can purchase from us. So if you want to buy any of these two items, you can DM us, and this one is definitely, even if you just go for the serum, it will work wonders for you, because I have got some hair which is completely, untamable. I cannot get rid of the frizziness anyhow. I've tried so many products. So this might last around like more than 2 to 3 months, because a small quantity is required. Even if you have long hair, it might last 2 to 3 months. Okay, depending on how much you're using. I shampoo once in a week because my hair is very dry. So this mask also lasts around 2 months for me. That's considerate amount of time. If you are willing to invest in this product and for good results, because there are other products that are available at less prices, but for good results, if you're willing to buy these two products, then it might be worthy. I've suggested these products to many people, and I'm just making this short video so that I can tell many people that you can buy these products from us. Earlier we didn't have these, so now we have these, and you can even order them online. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want to DM for these products, you can DM on WhatsApp. My number will be given in the bio. Thank you so much, all of you.